What's up, guys? We're kind of getting this thing running here. Fired it up the other day there and decided to get the air conditioning going and blew a hose here. So I was gonna patch it because it's a budget truck, but you can see it's split all the way down on both sides there. So we ended up getting some new hoses here. I'm gonna throw on it here. GM, I guess, made it all as one piece, so it's two hoses, one piece here, and so we're gonna slap it together here and see how it goes. Alright, so I guess take that side off and I'll pull this plate off here. Pull this one off. Mounted here too. How does it have the bracket, eh?
Where is it mounted?
It's mounted to the back of the compressor here.
Oh yeah, that's where the one bolt is on the back. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a bolt that goes through. Right.
That bolt, I wonder if it's the same size. Oh.
Oh, there goes the oil.
There's lots in there.
I guess so.
You should quickly throw it to this side and see if it can tip back into the compressor before I actually.
Okay, I'll do it upright then.
Oh, there's lots in there.
Yeah, so that was ideal.
That's interesting.
Just felt the
Or if
oil
it's gonna
everywhere.
come straight out this side, I have no idea.
I don't even know what that does. Oh, you meant that bolt?
Yeah.
Okay, I forgot about that. I'll grab
I'm
that.
assuming that's small.
Did you get the one on the back?
Just loosening it, but I was gonna try to figure out if it's gonna drain into here first, I guess.
You gonna wrench or something for that?
Yeah, maybe. What a dumb spot.
Size you think, please?
Actually, so this, maybe?
Half inch?
Yeah. Probably. The new one looks bigger, like the thickness of it. Hope it fits in there, right?
Unless it just wore down that much.
Yeah. They actually give me a new O-ring, so I might as well change that too, unless it's like a pain to get up.
They should have just put it in it for us.
It's on the compressor though.
Oh, on the compressor side.
Yeah. Remember I was going to flip them the first time, but sometimes they don't fit back in there, right? Now, what are the chances I can do this without losing this bolt?
Or without getting oil everywhere.
Or without getting oil everywhere. Oh, that's optimistic. You're supposed to remove this, whatever amount of oil you remove, you're supposed to put back in, so. Uh-oh.
What?
Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm guessing since it's going on the floor, it didn't all go in there. Sorry, Mike.
How much came out?
Ooh. I don't know.
What oil is that?
Air conditioning oil.
Is that actually what it is? It smells funny.
I actually read something, I forget what they said it was. That's quite a bit of oil.
And like,
Hopefully the oil that's in the VC refill kit is enough to like replace what came out.
yeah, I don't even know how you gauge that. And good thing it's over here too.
Oh, is there supposed to be like O-rings on that too? Oh wait a minute.
That's
Oh, that's
weird.
right size.
That's
Or is that
weird.
different?
That's that side.
Oh, it's on there already. because nothing important. No, it didn't touch. I need to get those out of there. You know where that O-ring pick is? Actually, I think there is an actual drawer marked picks. Yeah, we're so organized here.
Except it's not anything.
Should be a dental pick in there.
Yeah, there should be. Maybe I got used one time.
I don't know if I don't think I pulled them out last time. It would have been a lot easier to do this, you know,
With the compressor off.
before.
Don't worry, it didn't go in the oil.
Not this time, anyways. I cannot see anything. I mean,
We had it out, didn't we?
No. I mean, it was working and it wasn't leaking, so maybe I just reused the O-rings.
Stuff smells strong, that oil, eh?
It does. I don't remember it being like that the last time.
Well, we also didn't have it draining all over the engine bay.
Or the floor. Oh man. Smallest job's always the hardest. Oh, there we go. Pass me a new O-ring there, I guess.
Are they all the same? They're small and big.
Oh no, I got it. Sorry. That was my fault.
What's this thick one for? Where's that go?
That's the second one for here because there's two of them.
Okay.
As long as I don't pull the same one back out again. Ow.
They butt up against each other?
Yeah, they're like right both behind that plate where the two lines are. Brake lights are in the way. I don't know how you
Is it the
mount
rear
this.
brake line?
See, if I would have put those headers on, there would have been a nightmare of trying to figure out how to mount this stupid air compressor. EC compressor, I should say. That's pretty flat.
What it of?
Well, because look where the bracket goes, it goes to the exhaust bolts.
Oh. I saw someone put long tube headers on this and I was like, how the heck do you change the plugs after that?
If they're good, they should be easy to change.
Yeah, I guess if you put anti-seize on it, it would be that hard.
What do you mean, why?
Well, because the headers he put on, they like fully covered where the plugs went.
Oh yeah, that's probably just like cheaper ones or whatever.
Just need to learn how to fabricate that stuff ourselves.
This one's being. Being a pain. This feels like it's not the same size or something.
Are you putting the new one in?
Yeah.
Did you mix them up?
No, they're both the same size. There should be. It's weird. Same size.
How do you fill it up with oil? Just through there too?
I think you're just supposed to pour a little on like the dryer side and then a little on the compressor side. They say you're supposed to fill the compressor, but I don't know how that works.
Like you put it into the hose?
I guess. I see some cans that are like actual oil. It's like the same as like the
And it goes through there.
I guess, but that doesn't make sense because does it all get over here? Is it just gonna sit in the dryer? Or like, I don't know how AC really works, to be honest. So
Certified HVAC.
yeah, this is stupid. That should be super easy. Nothing super easy. Oh, I know why. Because I'm not in the right hole.
Oh, you were trying to put it over the other O-ring?
No. No.
Dude.
I was like, why is this not fitting that one when it's so easy? Alright.
Okay, so what next?
Tub of towels. This is what the next. Alright, so put the hoses back on first, I guess. Make sure everything lines up there. Back the compressor. So, onto this.
Oh, I guess I should have. These don't feel as heavy duty as the other hoses.
They feel smaller too, like they're not as thick, but I don't know.
It's
if
like a
just
different
the
material.
outside diameter.
So I should have paid attention to where these hoses went through.
I think it just ran over the top.
It went under one of them. It was under something. That's why I got oil everywhere.
Oh, it was under that one.
Yeah.
Under the heater hose, yeah.
Okay. There. And up. This is wrong.
This is not going to fit. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe it will. Gonna hit the bracket here. Almost not fit.
The O-ring out?
Yeah. Let me just take another half an hour to put that back in, if you don't mind. Oh, this is a stupid spot.
Is the brackets a little bit different, or?
I don't know. I don't think so. It's close here, though. It's like almost touching the AC compressor.
Well, once it gets snugged up over here, it'll be.
Yeah. As long as there's clearance so it doesn't like rub through this line. Looks like it's good. I'm assuming the other end of that has an O-ring. That's probably what that extra O-ring was.
Or maybe the other two, there were just two extra O-rings.
No, I bet you that one's got an O-ring. Not that one, the other side of it. Yeah, that one's probably got an O-ring. Yep. Yep, right there. Yeah. So I'll change that while we're at it. Since we have them. Unless it's different.
Here.
That's the same as wasted, yeah.
I guess
It was
we
like
should put
flat
oil
on one
it.
side. What? On the floor.
Yeah.
Let's go to.
It's probably cleaner.
It's a tiny O-ring for this one.
Yeah, I just slipped right over.
This didn't take much on a flared fitting like that. Okay.
What's the time?
Yes, let me snug this one out first, I guess. So we can make sure that's in there good. Should have enough hose to enough AC free on there, I guess, to fill it back up. Probably do it out this side this time so it don't stink up the shop.
Oh. Make ourselves high on the exhaust.
This thing reeks when it starts.
Yeah.
It runs in general, to be honest.
Does it like have to do with the fuel mixture or something?
I don't know. I don't remember it being like that last year, but I guess we didn't really have it in the garage last year.
Fittings together. I love flared fittings until you can't get them screwing on together.
I wonder if there's like a whole reason why this whole assembly is like one piece versus like more. I noticed like I've been looking at some like more newer style compressors that are like maybe from like the 90s, like your truck has or something, where the compressor's like half the thickness.
Yeah.
Like width, I guess, or whatever. But they're threaded in hoses, so I don't know how you convert that.
Is it all flared fittings then, or?
I don't know if the compressor is, like, as long as you had the flared fitting on this side, I guess. I don't, you'd have to figure what the other end is. Maybe somebody, like, can make you up some hoses or something.
Shouldn't have to make this very tight, huh?
No, just snug it up. Take the 2 wrenches and make sure it's tight. Don't lose any, I guess.
I don't want to over tighten it and squeeze that O-ring out.
Yeah. Should be good.
Yeah, that was an easy fix.
Alright, we'll fire it up, I guess. And then,
Need that truck
take it
mode?
out. Did you take any hoses off here, or is it still?
No, I did not. Was there an O-ring on the end of that, or there was already one in there?
No, there was one on the hose.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did these come out of here?
I forgot to put the. Oh, here's. I see.
Did these wrenches come out of here?
Where did this bolt go? Oh, that's for the clamp there. You got the clamp for that hose?
Yeah, I should have put that on the truck.
That's okay. I think it'll fit. It's over here. Just keeps on going on alternator.
It's a lot thinner.
Yeah, it's definitely way thinner, eh?
That's the cost down on making it.
I don't know.
Probably made in China.
Or it's just because the inside of that one, that old one, was super thin, eh?
Unless it's like just a different design.
Yeah, I'm just thinking it's probably the same. It's just the hoses are better these days for pressure, maybe, or whatever, so they don't need to have it like.
Hopefully we'll never have to change it again for the time we'll own this truck.
Yeah, don't say that too loud. We'll probably blow up in 30 seconds from now. Is that the bolt that went through there? No. Nope. Nope.
That was...
Don't know where the actual bolt is for that. The nuts are here. Did you take that off?
I didn't take it off. Are you sure it didn't come from the bottom side up? Oh no, you're right. Oh.
But it had
It had a bolt through it.
Oh, it had a bolt. You're right, it had a bolt.
Yeah, it's not. Oh, there's one right there. It's all through.
Oh. Right into the oil.
Right into the oil. Perfect catch. Frick. I'm gonna grab the washers and stuff off the floor behind you there.
Where?
All right. Right on the.
There's one here and there's one
Right here.
oh, here. I don't think we need that one, the big one.
No, probably not. I'm assuming it was. I don't even know. Yeah, it's probably that one. Yeah.
We're organized.
Or none of them because it won't go on.
Was this one?
Probably, but I can't get it on. So this is what's gonna happen.
You shaved weight from the truck again.
Yeah.
Do that 100 times over.
Take that, Tony Angelo. 1/1,000,000th of a second faster. Did you see they ran that thing at around like, was it like a 530 or 540 0 to 60?
60.
I'm processing that number in my head. I don't know. I seem to recall I think he had it like, I think they were just like stopwatching it last time because he did his CUDA there not very long ago. I don't think he had a draggy.
I don't remember what our 60 was. I think it was like pretty bad.
Hey,
10.
don't say it out loud. Say it was twice as fast as it was.
It was
3.9.
It was 4 seconds.
Run the same 60 foot that Big Chief runs in the 8th mile.
Yep.
Alright. Put some of this oil up here. I don't know where this extra bolt came from, but more weight loss.
That was probably that one, but that one doesn't have the bracket
Oh,
for it.
that's right, you're right.
So, couldn't do anything about that anyways.
All right.
Pull this truck out, and
Yeah, I'll pull it out and I guess we'll start filling up the Freon here.
too bad it wasn't a hot day.
Yeah.